So this question says we have a object that is placed before the convex lens and that is 25 centimeter from the convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. So let us say this is the convex lens you have. So this is your convex lens of focal length. So focal length for this is 20 centimeter. So the focal length of this convex lens. And now let us say this is the principal axis of this convex lens. Now focal length is 20 centimeter. A object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. So this distance is 25 centimeter. Now there is a slab that is inserted between these points. So between the object and the lens. So let us say this is somewhere here. So this is the slab that has been inserted. And the thickness of slab you have to find out. Refractive index of slab is given. This is 1.5. Let us say thickness of this slab is T centimeter, so that the final image formed at infinity. So this question says final image formed at infinity. So I have to form final image. This is at infinity. So how this is possible? This is possible only if somehow this will gain the ray that is coming from the focus. So this means this will receive the ray that is coming from the focus. What will happen? So this ray goes here. So let us say at this surface. Now this will be deflected in this direction. So this is the normal. So this will go towards the normal. So the final ray, this will go this side. So this will be deflected in this direction. I can make another diagram. So let us say I use the next diagram. So this is the principal axis you have. And now this is your slab. So let us make the slab slightly bigger. And our object is somewhere here. Now a ray will go to this slab, and now this ray will basically deviate towards. So it looks like this ray is coming from somewhere here. So this ray, it looks like is coming from somewhere here. So for this surface, this is the object and this is the image. For this surface, this is the image, but for this surface, this image becomes object. So let us call this as a I1, but basically this becomes object for this surface. Now for this surface, what will happen? Now ray will go away from the normal. So this will go somewhere here, slightly less. So let us say this goes in this direction. Are you getting or not? So one can expect this should go in this direction, but it will go slightly away. So let us make slightly away. So this is slightly away. One will expect this ray should go in this direction, but it will be slightly deviated. So if you extend this ray, it will meet to the principal axis somewhere here. Now this is your I2. Are you getting or not? This is your I2. Now this is possible. So this system will say ray will finally goes to the infinite only if it looks like. So this convex lens will see that this ray is coming from the focus of this one. Are you getting or not? So this ray, so here you have the convex lens. So let us say I'm making slightly bigger. This is your convex lens. Now for this lens, it will look like these rays are coming from the focus. So this is the ray that is coming. So these rays must come from the focus, and then you can say only possible. Are you getting? So what is this distance? So this distance, this I2, it looks like this ray is coming from the focus. So the total focal length is 20 centimeter for this lens. So this has to be 20 centimeter. This means this object will shift in this direction by 5 centimeter. By 5 centimeter, because this total distance is 5 centimeter. Now this means due to this slab there is a shift of 5 centimeter. So that is apparent shift. So now I know apparent shift. This is due to the slab. due to slab, and this is equals to 5 centimeter. And now I know the apparent shift, that is given by t into 1 minus 1 by mu, easy one. This is equals to 5 centimeter. So mu is given to you, mu is 1.5, so you can calculate the value. So t into 1 minus 1 by 0.5 is equals to 5. So from here, if you solve for t, t will come out to be 15 centimeter. So let us check yourself. This will come out to be 15 centimeter. Let me check the answer. This is 15 centimeter. So you solve from here, you will get t is equals to 15 centimeter. This is easy one. One important point we have. So to analyze the fact, since the final ray becomes parallel to the principal axis, so these rays must come from, so this looks like these rays are coming from the focus of this one. Focus is 20 centimeter, so this length is 20 centimeter.